Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to allow the camera to save location tags on this device. So before we will enter the camera actually to turn on the location tags option, we will have to remember about two very important features. So let me unroll the top bar and let me show you. First thing about which we have to remember is the internet connection. So obviously you can be connected to the Wi-Fi or using your mobile data. It doesn't really matter, just have the internet connection. And the second thing is the exact location. So you have to have this option turned on. So remember about that, and now we can enter the camera. So let's do it, and let's enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. Now we have to scroll down and find useful features section, and on the third position we've got location tags option, so which is right now obviously turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and if you will open it, turn it on for the very first time, then your device will ask you about some permissions. So you will have to allow the camera to access location. So obviously you will be able to agree to use it only this time or use it while the camera is turned on. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. And of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this in order to check if it will work. So let's get back to the camera. Let's take a photo and check the preview just by tapping on the circle. And here we have to enter the details, and we can do it just by tapping on this three dots icon and entering the details. And as you can see here, we've got the location icon, and here we've got the exact location of where this photo has been taken. So greetings from Krakow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.